On one hand, much has transpired in the ongoing movement to free the Mahabodhi Mahavihara in Bodh Gaya. Protesters have made several allegations against the Bodh Gaya police, with heavy criticism directed at the police for the arrest and imprisonment of monk Binacharya for allegedly political reasons. On the other hand, a serious incident had come to light at the Mahabodhi Mahavihara itself, where the role of Bodh Gaya police station appears suspicious. In fact, a case has emerged involving an attack on an Australian citizen of Vietnamese origin who had come to visit the Mahabodhi Mahavihara. A complaint was submitted to the Bodh Gaya police regarding the matter, but they refused to take any action. Tran Phong Tho, also known as Charlie, told us that on May 29, he was mistreated and attacked by a Vietnamese YouTuber named Nguyen Bang Tam. Charlie said the YouTuber punched him in the face, causing injuries to his face and eye. The YouTuber who attacked him runs two YouTube channels named Phong Nguyen TV and Stamp TV. An eyewitness to the incident, Hang, a Singaporean citizen of Vietnamese origin who understands English, told us that when Charlie went to the Bodh Gaya police station on May 31, he was made to sit there for several hours and his passport was taken away by the police. Hang, who accompanied him, also said that her passport was taken by the police and no action was taken on the matter. She added that their passports were held hostage for hours by the Bodh Gaya police without any reason. Charlie told Indus News TV that he had gone to the Bodh Gaya temple for prayer, during which time the Vietnamese YouTuber was roaming outside and without any reason punched him in the face. Charlie stated that this YouTuber has previously mistreated several other people in the similar manner. When no action was taken by Bodh Gaya police station, Hang told Indus News TV that they went to Senior Superintendent of Police SSP of Gaya district, who assured them that action would be taken. When Indus News TV asked Charlie whether he had informed his embassy about the matter, Charlie confirmed that he had notified the Australian embassy and the embassy had contacted the Gaya police. However, Charlie said he has no information yet about the conversation between the Bodh Gaya police and the Australian embassy. We asked him to inform us as soon as he learns more. Charlie also sent Indus News TV a copy of the petition he submitted first to the police station and then to the SSP of Bodh Gaya. In petition, Charlie writes, "We are Buddhists from Vietnam who have come to India, particularly Bodh Gaya, to study and visit Buddhist sites. We observed that more than 15 Vietnamese YouTubers are engaging in illegal activities in India under the guise of tourism. These individuals are attacking tourists, fighting with them, threatening and harassing them. They are tarnishing India's image and putting public safety and law and order at risk. We request that this matter be investigated and appropriate legal action be taken." The victim further wrote that the accused entered India on tourist visas and are earning money by running YouTube channels, which is a violation of the law. The petition also states that through their YouTube channels, they are misrepresenting sacred Buddhist sites and damaging the image of the religion, which goes against the teachings of Lord Shakyamuni Buddha. The petition continues by stating that these individuals are spreading fear, issuing threats and challenging law and order, thereby damaging India's international image and defiling the sanctity of the sacred Buddhist site of Bodh Gaya. The petition also mentions two previous incidents in which the same YouTuber mistreated other individuals in a similar fashion and no action was taken in those cases either. It states that such behavior is illegal and unacceptable. It has also harmed the global image of Vietnam and Vietnamese Buddhists. The letter concludes by urging the SHO of the Bodh Gaya police station to take appropriate action. At the end, it is stated that the letter is being submitted by the Vietnamese Buddhist community. It is dated June 1. Additionally, we have another letter written by the victim on May 30 and submitted to the Bodh Gaya police station on May 31, when they were again made to sit at the police station and had their passport taken by the police. Charlie also sent us several videos in which the accused YouTuber can be seen attacking people. At the time of writing this report, we spoke with Hang again. She said that no action has yet been taken on the petition submitted to the SSP of Gaya. nor have they received any communication from the police regarding the matter. We are gathering further information on what action is taken and will update you soon. Until then, stay connected with Indus News TV. Thanks for watching. I am Santosh Shakya. Namaskar.